This is the DTF Station Quick Start Guide. Another reason I am happy and proud to recommend DTF Station equipment. Every single DTF Station printer comes with one of these Quick Start Guides. If you've bought a DTF printer, you know most of them don't even come with an owner's manual. Well, this comes with an owner's manual and a whole bunch more. So let me show you what's in the Quick Start Guide. First, you have a bunch of QR codes that take you to different options like registering your printer, signing up for Discord, which is their support channel, manuals, drivers, RIP softwares, setup, operation, maintenance, troubleshooting, tons and tons of stuff in here. This also comes in a digital version on the thumb drive that's labeled DTF Station that came with your equipment as well. There's also a third way to access the Quick Start Guide. If you've already signed up for Discord, you can go to Resources, and at the very, very top will be what's on the USB flash drives. And this will be the most up-to-date version because DTF Station does update this content on a regular basis. And here is that Quick Start Guide. Now you can see here that this one is a slightly different layout from the one I have, and that's because they do update these Quick Start Guides. So we have equipment and virtual support registration, important resources, and they list what they are right there. Image Presto, which is their AI image generation software. You also have the ability to download NeoStampa, which is the RIP software. Pilot or Hosen, which is the control software. Discord support, setup. You know, let's click on maintenance and see what happens. Well, look at that. We have videos on how to perform the end of day maintenance, weekly maintenance, and also maintenance on the Miro oven. Let's look at operation. And here we are, operation videos for all of the equipment and everything related to my Prestige R2 Pro. Let's check this one out.
Hi everyone, this is Marcus with DTF Station, and in this video, I'll press the menu button on the front.
Another thing that's found in this Quick Start Guide is a maintenance schedule. It lets you know what you should be doing. This is already telling you so much more than most other companies will give you when they sell you a DTF printer. So it says here, beginning of the day, shake the white ink bottles, nozzle check, head cleaning, fill ink. It says you should, on the end of the day, clean around the head, clean the wiper blade. It gives you everything you need to do. Follow this, and your printer's gonna run great. It also has a description of what all those functions were on the other side. Also, on the pages, in this case, it's talking about the maintenance procedures. It's got a little QR code so you can watch the videos on your phone. So this is a great, handy little resource to always have around just in case you need some assistance with your printer. This Quick Start Guide and all of the resources, the videos, the manuals that come with this is a main reason why I chose DTF Station to be a partner of this YouTube channel. Running a DTF printer is not easy. If you want more information about DTF Station printers and other equipment, feel free to reach out if you have any questions, but just as a disclaimer, I'm not a DTF Station dealer. But if you follow the link in the description below, you'll be able to find a DTF Station dealer near you, and they can answer questions, but also get you hooked up with one of these amazing printers. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.